Welcome back friends. Today in this video tutorial of Anita Bioconcept, and again I am with you all today to discuss about the immunoregulatory functions of cytokines. Our topic is immune regulation or immunoregulatory functions of cytokines. Okay, so in my previous video tutorials I have already discussed about the cytokines, what are their various categories, what are their properties along with their functions in brief. So today I will be discussing about the immunoregulatory functions of the cytokines. So let's have a brief idea about the cytokines. What are cytokines? Cytokines are low molecular weight soluble proteins that are produced by a variety of cell types, and they are responsible for the regulation of the branches of immune system, both types of immune system, that is innate immune system as well as adaptive immune system. They act as chemical messengers to regulate the immune functions, to regulate the functions of immune system. Okay, so cytokines are low molecular weight proteins and they are produced by a variety of cells. Okay, cytokines can be produced by all the cells of immune system, virtually all the cells of immune system, but especially by Th cells, means T helper cells. Mainly cytokines are being produced. Th cells or T helper cells, T helper cells or Th lymphocytes. Th lymphocyte cytokines are mainly produced. Okay, so how cytokines are produced? So the activation of cytokine producing cells trigger the production and secretion of cytokines by them, and then after the secretion or production or secretion of cytokines, what happens? These cytokines does go and bind to the cell surface receptors of the other cells, other immune cells, and activate them. So the activation of cytokines producing cells trigger the production of cytokines, and after that the production and secretion of cytokines, after that what happens? They just go to the other cell surface receptor, other cell surface receptors binds to them and influence their activity, And in my previous video tutorials I have also discussed about their properties also, just like redundancy, pleiotrophy, multifunctional in nature, and antagonistic in action. They are antagonistic in their action, redundancy, pleiotropic and multifunctional, etc. So I don't want to repeat all this. If you want these all information, so you can watch my videos on that. Now let's focus on cytokines that are responsible to regulate the immune response. So there are two type of immunity or two type of immune response. One is innate immune response and other one is adaptive immune response. So today in this video tutorial I will be discussing about innate immune system regulation by the help of cytokines. So cytokines that regulate the innate immunity are produced by mononuclear phagocytes. Okay, mononuclear phagocytes. And what are mononuclear phagocytes? Mononuclear phagocytes does include macrophages. Okay, macrophages macrophages, dendritic cells, and these cytokines are also being secreted by natural killer cells, mucosal epithelial cells, okay, T lymphocytes as well as endothelial cells, T lymphocytes as well as endothelial cells, endothelial cells. So these mononuclear phagocytic cells such as macrophages, dendritic cell does secrete the cytokines which are very important in regulating the innate immune system or innate immunity. But there are some other cells such as natural killer cells, endothelial cells, mucosal epithelial cells, dendritic cells which are responsible to secrete or to produce and secrete the cytokines. So these cells are also being responsible to produce the cytokines which are responsible for the immune regulatory properties and immune regulatory functions of the innate immune system or innate immunity. Now there is one question which needs to be answered, that how these cytokines are getting produced. So these cytokines are being produced in response to PAMPs, PAMPs, in response to PAMPs. And what are these PAMPs? These PAMPs means pathogen associated mononuclear patterns. Now what is the meaning of these mononuclear patterns? Pathogen associated mononuclear patterns means the patterns like LPS, lipopolysaccharide, teichoic acids, peptidoglycan monolayers, unmethylated cytosine guanine dinucleotide, or CpG sequences in bacterial and viral genome, and double stranded RNA in case of viral genome, double stranded RNA viruses or double stranded RNA viral genome. So these patterns or these PAMPs, these pathogen associated mononuclear patterns are being responsible for the production of these cytokines, and cytokines are produced in response to these PAMPs. Now there are some inflammatory cytokines such as interleukin 1, interleukin 6, interleukin 8 as well as tumor necrosis factor alpha. There are some inflammatory cytokines such as interleukin 1, interleukin 6, interleukin 8 and tumor necrosis factor alpha. They act mainly on leukocytes and endothelial cells. They act mainly on leukocytes and endothelial cells that form blood vessels in order to promote and control the inflammatory responses, the early inflammatory responses. Okay, they act on these cytokines act on leukocytes and endothelial cells, and that forms the blood vessels, and then after they promote and control the early inflammatory responses. There are now these cytokines are produced in response to P PRR means pattern recognition receptor. PRRs means pattern recognition receptors. There are some other cytokines which are getting produced in response to these pattern recognition receptors, and these are interferons, type 1 interferons. These type 1 interferons are being responsible to recognize the viral nucleic acid, and after that in infected cells they block the infection, they block the replication of viruses. PRR. There are some other cytokines which are produced in response to these pattern recognition receptors, and those are type 1 interferons. Those are responsible to recognize the viral nucleic acid. They recognize the viral nucleic acid and then after are responsible to block the viral replication in infected host cells. So there are some other cytokines known as type 1 interferons. Okay, now I will give you some of the examples of those type of cytokines which are responsible to regulate the immune functions, especially innate immunity regulation. So these cytokines are tumor necrosis factor alpha, chemokines, interleukins, and interleukins such as interleukin 1, interleukin 6, interleukin 10, interleukin 11, interleukin 12, interleukin 15, interleukin 18, as well as tumor, I have written it, type 1 interferons. So all these are being responsible such as tumor necrosis factor alpha, chemokines, interleukins and interferons type 1. These all cytokines are responsible for the immunoregulatory functions, or especially to regulate the innate immunity portion of the immune system. And in my next upcoming videos, I will be discussing about each and every cytokine in detail. So this is all about the basic introduction of immunoregulatory cytokines, and especially those type of immunoregulatory cytokines which are responsible to regulate the innate immunity. Okay, so and I must say that if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.